Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit! Shit! Fuck! Oh my god, dude.
Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm stoked because I got new jerseys in. It's the EMTB. It's a tribute to AC/DC. The back is going to be the same, the Reckless Riders. And then we got the Reckless down the sleeve. These are high quality. It's 100% polyester, antimicrobial. I've taken a lot of crashes and I've not ripped a jersey. So I got a lot of requests to get these all back in stock. There's the Nirvana and the Cali jerseys, and then the short sleeves. The long sleeve jerseys are going to be $50. Short sleeve jerseys are going to be $40. Here's a top view on it. I'm super stoked on this jersey, so hope you guys like it. This jersey, like all my jerseys, they do run small. I recommend that you size up. If you're in between sizes, I would go up 2 sizes. What's up? Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm at Crank Brothers. I'm with Gas.
Sunday morning, 8:30 a.m. We just to wake up.
Yeah, we're pretty tired. It was my birthday this weekend, so I drank a little bit, a little hungover. So Gas is gonna make some coffee. Kyle just made it in the house. We're just getting some of the bikes set up, and then we're gonna go for the ride. If you guys went to Sea Otter, you definitely saw this bike. This was at the Crank Brothers booth. So I'll have Gas explain this bike.
This year for us was the camo year, so we launched a collection of shoes in camo green, pedal in camo green, some apparel in camo green, and we decided to, together with a friend from Element 6, to custom paint this Commensal Tempo bike and auction it for the Orange County Mountain Bike Association. So I don't know who won the bike, but we're gonna let you know in the YouTube comments.
Yeah, Element 6 is the guys that painted my bike. They did such a sick job on it. All right guys, this is Jordy. He's from Spain. He's a pro rider. He's an ambassador for Crank Brothers. And you're here for
See Gaspar and the guys for a week before the heading back to Barcelona for the new World Series.
You just recently raced the Masters, right?
Yeah.
In what, Argentina?
Yeah.
And then he got 3rd place.
Yeah, not so happy about it. The chain dropped on the top and I was riding all without chain. Just missed the world touch for 1.5 seconds.
No way. Holy shit. Oh yeah, so he's gonna be riding with us. So we're just getting the bikes all dialed in and we're gonna head up right now. All right, so I got a pair of goggles. I'm gonna try these out today. They mainly doing snow goggles, and now they're getting into mountain biking goggles. These are the Amazify MTBs. I'm gonna try it out and see how it goes. All right, I'm gonna make this climb up. I did charge my bike, so I'm at full batteries. So for all the years I've been riding here, I think this is gonna be my first time pedaling up Canyon Acres. All right, so I'm on trail mode and Gas is on eco. He's a strong climber.
Not a reckless rider. We are not going to be able to fit behind them.
Yeah. Oh shit. Hold on, Gas. I forgot my goggles. All right, this is trail 1. I'm following Gas. Gas is the CEO of Crank Brothers. The last time I ridden this trail was actually with Gas about maybe 5-6 months ago. I don't ride this trail that often. It's a fun one, but it is a bitch to climb up here, so that's why I never go. It's much nicer with the e-bike today. Everything's overgrown. Give him a little bit of space. Woo! Good. Oh yeah. Ooh, nice shoot right here. Woo! Woo! That's fun. No. See these little fuckers? That's what got into my ear. I'm so traumatized when I see these guys now. Alright, we're paddling up to trail 2. Only time I'll be able to clear this section at the e-bike today. Well, it's so much easier on e-bike, but it's still difficult. Alright. This is trail 2. Woo! Super loose. Oh. I don't even recognize this trail right now. Alright, I'm following Kyle. Freaking. They're bombing it. Jordy's a pro DH rider. Oh my god, it's washed out right now. Woo. Oh, I fucking cased that one. My cornering is so bad on this bike. Ooh. Oh my god, that's brutal. Whoa, what's up, guys? What's up, man? Good, how you guys?
Take a picture again?
Yeah.
How you been?
Good. How you doing? Oh, what's up, man? Good jersey. What's up, guys? All right. This is trail 3. I'm following Jordy for now. Don't think I'll be able to keep up. He rides for Pivot. He's on the Pivot shuttle. Holy shit! Oh. Oh, fuck, I clapped. Holy shit. I don't think I ever clapped that hard.
Cap bronze fiber.
I personally like the other way. Whoa. This is where I'm for sure not gonna be able to keep up with Jordy because my turning skills are not pretty bad. Yeah, one slow corner and they're gone. It's not even this bike either. I know cornering is something I need to work on, so, but it's even harder on this bike just because I don't ride it enough and the weight of an e-bike. Oh, that was tight. Whoa. Oh, man, I have such a hard time cornering on this bike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Thanks a lot.
Later, guys. Have fun. Good riding with you. Double team. Kyle. His battery died. Jordy's pulling, I'm pushing. All right, we're boosting up. I got to get to the restaurant today. I'm running a little late. It was my birthday, so I get somewhat of a hall pass. Thank you. All right, have a good hike, guys. All right. This is trail 4, I believe. I'm following Kyle. A bunch of new little kickers. Whoa. God, the cornering is so good.
Carlton's Flyer.
Whew. Oh, shit.
Cars for hire.
Almost lost it. Whew. Oh. 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 So overgrown. Ooh.
Dude, we did a ride without crashing.
I know. First one in many.
First one in a month.
I know, dude.
Oh my god.
Was good riding with you,
Nice to
brother.
meet you, man.
Yeah.
Don't,
Alright, Kyle.
don't put too much of